Hey, before we get started, do me one favor. Give this video a big thumbs up. Well, hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Tonight's session will be a brief session under 10 minutes showing you how to use a simple unix command to append a series of CSV files onto the end of another file, okay? And that simple command is called grep. Just heads up. Oh, before we get started, of course, one favor, of course, as always, give me a big thumbs up on this video at the bottom of the screen, okay? That would mean a lot to me. Of course, you also want to click the bell icon to be notified whenever I go live or upload new content. But by all means, please, 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 give me a big thumbs up on this video, okay? So you can see here we have 12 files now. Okay? And that's about 0.99, it's about 1 gigabyte of data. All right? So let's open up our little thingy here. Okay, so now we got to change into our repo. There's our 12 files. So now we want to count the number of rows in all 12 files. So this is kind of a nifty Unix tool. I also mentioned that there's several ways you can get this tool. If you're running any flavor of Unix, it's on there. Any flavor of Linux, it's on there. macos has it. Okay. Also, if you're in our program and you installed our tools, all these Unix text tools are included in the R tools package. Also, if you go out and you do something like search for Git for Windows, and you go to a site of something like SCM or something like that, and you install their Git package, buried in one of their subdirectories is all these Unix tools. Okay, so now we know the first magic number is this, and each one of these 12 files has a header file, but we only want to keep the header file for the first file up here, the April 21, 2021 file, the first one. Okay, so that's the only one we want to keep. We want to remove the header rows from all the other files, and that means we're going to remove the header rows from 11 files, which means that this number here should be 11 yes. Right? This should be 533. So anyway, first of all, let's just move the first file to something else. And here's the thing, for you youngsters, this becomes a bit of a shock, but what this directory contains is 12 database files. Why the database? Because they have a fixed column design, they have a fixed column arrangement, fixed column types, so therefore that's a database. A database is any system of information that's been organized so that it all has the same organization. That's all it is. So, databases aren't new. I always say the oldest relational database system in accounting is the double entry accounting system. You have a foreign key, then you have the general ledger, which you have the primary key for the accounts, then you have the foreign key in the general ledger. Okay, so there's nothing new about databases. Excel's a database, database is a database, and so forth. Okay, so now we cover it like this, and we're going to let's just keep this brief and to the point. Now, if we come over here and I say this is going to return 11 rows. Now what we want to do is we want to exclude any row in these files that contains the write ID, and that of course is only the header. So we come up here like so, Okay, so this says return rows that contain ride ID. If you do a dash V, that says only return the rows that do not have. That means exclude any row from the output that has ride ID in it. There's only one row for each of the what? One row for each of the of the CSV files. Let's see what we got her now. And there you see it. The first four digits are the same, 35, but it says 3544 to 35. Why is it 11 less? One row, one header row for each of the remaining 11 files. Okay. And my friends, that's all there is to it. I mean, this is a quick sidelight. Let's take a look at Python. So, as you can see, it took roughly 30 rows of Python code to do the accomplish what we copied with one line of Unix code. There you go, friends. And that takes care of this session for this evening. Now, one more thing before I go is what? Be sure and again give that like button a big thumbs up for me, okay? Thank you so much. Oh, one other thing, be sure to mark your calendars for midnight Sunday night or midnight Sunday or Monday morning. Midnight, okay, at 12 a.m. On the 22nd. I'll be doing another live stream. We'll continue to use Python to work with the Cyclistic Bikeshare data, okay?